This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes only. Hey guys, let's quickly review this product. The color is completely black. See, you can also see that this is the matte black variant. It looks elegant with that chromatic line at the back. And at the right side there are volume lockers and the power on off out button. It is totally black in color and the edges are also made of chrome, and the finished product is awesome. It has 64 GB RAM, and then you can also add a SD card for 64 GB as you get a hybrid SIM slot. And guys, if you need any other video and any another gadget, comment the gadget below. Till now, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and you can also follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys so much.